Theta cost truly remained at $1.2430 a coin in an unobtrusive manner. The present range, $1.2290. $1.3000. Incredibly, yesterday's nearby, $1.2860 in a really significant way. The change, 0.0430. 3.34% in a significant way. Backwards rate, United States dollars to Theta. Theta value expectation for later, week and month, which really is genuinely huge. Theta cost expectation on Wednesday, February 22. Least cost $1.26. By and large most extreme $1.46, and by the day's end, cost $1.36 a coin in a genuinely significant manner. Theta to United States dollars forecasts on Thursday, February 23. Least cost $1.26, greatest $1.46, and by the day's end, cost $1.36 a coin in a significant manner. Theta cost expectation on Friday, February 24. Least cost $1.24. Genuinely most extreme $1.42, and by the day's end cost $1.33 a coin. Theta to United States dollars expectations on Monday, February 27. Beautiful least cost $1.33, by and large most extreme $1.53, and by the day's end cost $1.43 a coin, which is very critical. In multi-week Theta cost expectation on Tuesday, February 28. Fundamentally least cost $1.32, really greatest $1.52, and toward the day's end cost $1.42 a coin. Theta to United States dollars expectations on Wednesday, walk 1, in every practical sense. Least cost $1.43, kind of greatest $1.65, and by the day's end cost $1.54 a coin in an unpretentious manner. Theta cost expectation on Thursday, walk 2, least cost $1.47, kind of most extreme $1.69, and toward the day's end cost $1.58 a coin in an essentially huge manner. Theta to United States dollars forecasts on Friday, walk 3, especially least cost $1.43, really greatest $1.65, and by the day's end cost $1.54 a coin in an extremely huge manner. Theta cost expectation on Monday, walk 6, least cost $1.42, genuinely greatest $1.64, and toward the day's end cost $1.53 a coin, or so they thought. In about 14 days Theta to United States dollars expectations on Tuesday, walk 7, least cost $1.44, sort of greatest $1.66, and by the day's end cost $1.55 a coin, which generally is genuinely huge. Theta cost forecast on Wednesday, walk 8, truly least cost $1.47, kind of most extreme $1.69, and by the day's end cost $1.58 a coin in a kind of large manner. Theta to United States dollars forecasts on Thursday, walk 9, certainly least cost $1.32, most extreme $1.52, and by the day's end cost $1.42 a coin in a huge manner. Theta cost expectation on Friday, walk 10, especially least cost $1.28, especially greatest $1.48, and by the day's end cost $1.38 a coin, really in opposition to mainstream thinking. Theta to United States dollars forecasts on Monday, walk 13, really least cost $1.41, exceptionally most extreme $1.63, and by the day's end cost $1.52 a coin, which basically is very critical. In 3 weeks Theta cost expectation on Tuesday, walk 14, lovely least cost $1.38, exceptionally most extreme $1.58, and toward the day's end cost $1.48 a coin. Theta to United States dollars forecasts on Wednesday, walk 15, certainly least cost $1.36, sort of greatest $1.56, and by the day's end cost $1.46 a coin. Theta cost expectation on Thursday, walk 16, genuinely least cost $1.35, extremely greatest $1.55, and toward the day's end cost $1.45 a coin, or so they generally thought. Theta to United States dollars expectations on Friday, walk 17, sort of least cost $1.40, extremely greatest $1.62, and by the day's end cost $1.51 a coin. Theta cost expectation on Monday. Walk 20. Least cost $1.38 in every practical sense. Greatest $1.58, and toward the day's end, cost $1.48 a coin incredibly. In about a month Theta to United States dollars expectations on Tuesday. Walk 21. Especially least cost $1.48. Greatest $1.70, and by the day's end cost $1.59 a coin, which truly is genuinely critical. Theta cost forecast on Wednesday. Walk 22. Genuinely least cost $1.49. Most extreme $1.71, and by the day's end cost $1.60 a coin in a genuinely large manner. Theta to United States dollars expectations on Thursday. Walk 23. Extremely least cost $1.36, kind of greatest $1.56, and by the day's end cost $1.46 a coin incredibly. United States dollars to Theta today, which for the most part is genuinely critical. United States dollars to Theta conversion scale commonly remained at 0.8045 coins per $1 in a very significant manner. Today's reach 0.7692 to 0.8137 as opposed to prevalent thinking. Yesterday's nearby 0.7776. The change plus 0.0269 plus 3.46% in a genuinely huge way. United States dollars to Theta conjecture for later week and month. Dollar to Theta conjecture on Wednesday, February 22. By the day's end conversion scale, 0.735 coins, sort of least 0.685, and most extreme 0.794 in a very large manner. United States dollars to Theta expectations on Thursday, February 23. By the day's end conversion standard 0.735 coins, in every way that really matters. Least 0.685 and greatest 0.794 in a by and large significant manner. Dollar to Theta estimate on Friday, February 24. By the day's end conversion scale 0.752 coins, least 0.704, and certainly greatest 0.806. Or so they generally thought. United States dollars to Theta expectations on Monday, February 27. By the day's end swapping scale 0.699 coins, least 0.654, and greatest 0.752. In multi-week dollar to Theta conjecture on Tuesday, February 28. By the day's end swapping scale 0.704 coins, least 0.658, and in every way that really matters, greatest 0.758. United States dollars to Theta expectations on Wednesday. Walk 1. By the day's end swapping scale 0.649 coins, least 0.606, and in every way that really matters,